What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So today, ito yung Queendom Divas performance na last September 15 na air. So this was uploaded last Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, just this week. So bago, ito yung pinaka-recent na Queendom performance. So this is going to be Miley Cyrus songs. Okay, Miley Cyrus songs. So ang caption dito, Divas of the Queendom flaunt their jaw-dropping vocals. Ooh, okay. So let's begin. So if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Tapos follow nyo ako sa Facebook, sa Instagram, and on TikTok. So let's do this. Let's go!
There's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it.
This song is going to be a classic for me. Na Miley Cyrus talaga. Like, this is one, maybe, I think arguably, para sa akin, ito yung best song ni Miley Cyrus. Alam ko naman lahat marami siyang hit songs, but for me ito talaga yung merong may bigat sa akin, no? And it was released during a time na talagang I was so into like this kind of genre. Hahaha. Nice. Nice. I love that medyo medyo exaggerated na na vibrato. Sometimes, exaggerating or overdoing something a little bit is really okay, no? It depends on how you would want to deliver it and how you want the audience react to it. But for me, that was good. Ganun. Nice. Woo! Ang daming notes na dinaanan nito. The arrangement is para siyang pwede siyang pang contest, no? Okay. I did not expect that. A very sudden key change. That was that was really surprising for me. Nakita niyo si Thea sa likod? I don't know if you can see it on the screen, nadadala si Thea, siya pa yung parang nag-choreograph. Tingnan niyo. Eto si Thea. Get there. Sweating on the other side. Nice. It's a cloud. Woo. I love the fact na medyo chill lang yung una, medyo melancholic, dramatic yung atake niya, no? And yung arrangement ng notes ng kanta, no, it's quite extra kasi maraming dinadaanan, may mga passing notes or passing chord na dinaanan sa arrangement. And then by the end, andun pala yung beat it, okay, the diva side of the song. So I love that. Ay, wait lang guys. Diretso, may agad may ads agad. Okay, skip natin. Rita. Napansin nyo ba lately, kapag si Julian ang nauna, susunod talaga si Rita, no? Napansin nyo lately sa mga performance ng Queendom. Tapos pag duet sila talaga yung parang napapartner, no? Oh, bagay to sa kanya. Bagay to sa kanya because of that style she has sa kanyang singing. Nice. I love the fact na medyo laid back to. Laid back lang. Hindi siya like, I can buy myself na hindi siya parang yung disco na upbeat, no? Talagang they have their own versions of the songs. Nice. I told you, bagay sa kanya to. Uy, in fairness, to be honest, ang ganda ni Rita ngayon. I love her look. I don't know. Simple lang kasi, no? Walang extra sa buhok. Parang naka-ponytail lang dito. Ay, hindi naman siya po. I don't know. Ano tawag dito? Basta nakabuhay lang dito. Tapos parang naka-ponytail dito sa parang bandang taas. And her makeup is actually very simple. Na it's not too much, no? Ano lang. Just about right, no? Dan. Nice. Ito yung style na gusto ko kay Rita, yung sound galing dito sa parang taas na dito at diba? Ganon. I love that. Bagay sa kanya kasi. Oh. May tawag na ako kay Thea. Si Miss Vibrato. Oh. Bagay to. Why? Nice. Sing. You. Itong chorus na to exciting to. I came in. Ito. I came in. Nice. All I wanted was you break your heart. Everything was. Ang hiling ng GMA ng mga sudden yung arranger ng GMA, especially the Queendom ng mga performances, one of his characteristic when arranging is maybe because kasi medley kasi to and maybe merong time limit na dapat mga at least 9-10 minutes lang, and napansin ko na mahilig siya ng sudden na key change. Power belter. Nice. Eh, napansin ko sa likod. Kasi hinahanap ko si Marian. Wala si Marian. Pero andito naman si Zeph. So, yeah. May proxy naman. So, hopefully para sa akin, no, Zephanie is actually ready na sa mga, makipagsabayan. But I don't know. Hindi pa siya naging regular sa Queendom. But lately, parang, lagi siyang pinoproxy. And maybe, time will tell, magiging official na Queendom Diva na siya. Oh, siya nasunod pala, oh. Isa din to, favorite Miley Cyrus ko din to na song.
Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song. 'Cause there is no guarantee
That this life.
this life is easy when my world is falling apart, when there's no light to break all the dark.
Isa sa mga napansin ko kay Zephanie, no, dati pa, pagka nagtatry siyang mag high notes, especially pre-chorus, chorus part na medyo mataas na yung mga notes doon, yung the way siya mag-belt is very held back. Hindi siya, kasi si Jessica, if you compare her to Jessica, si Jessica kasi is, yung boses ni Jessica talaga is tapon na tapon dito sa front. No, kay Zephanie parang may nakakapit sa kanya, no. It's parang may constraint sa, I'm not saying na it's bad ha, pero yun yung parang style niya na medyo controlled, hindi siya like pabugang-buga talaga like Jessica. Ayan, no? 'Di ba? Na-gets niyo ba? Kahit nag-key change siya, merong control eh. Hindi niya like, wah! Hindi siya, wah! Just like Jessica, ganun si Jessica. Wala. Sa kanya, wala. Nagbi-mix eh. Haha. What? I love that. That's when Nice. Uy, gusto ko yun. I love that. That's money for me. Sarap sa tenga. Nice. Galing. Nice. Okay, I have to be very honest. Dati, nung si Zephanie ay nasa kabilang estasyon pa, and I was really not that impressed sa kanya. I don't know why. Maybe because hindi ko naman masyado pinanood yung season niya. 'Di ba sa ano siya sa hindi ako nagkakamali sa Idol Philippines si Zephanie eh. Ng kids ba 'yun? Or teens? Ewan ko. Basta she won. She's a big winner. Grand winner. I was not really that impressed, pero nung lumipat siya sa kabila dito sa GMA, and then when I started reacting to her, sabi ko, underrated to si Zephanie, kasi yung kasi tone quality niya pagka nasa sa low to mid range lang niya, hindi mo masasabing biritera siya, no? Kasi may raspiness na medyo mapaos yung niya, yung timbre sa low to mid. But then mataas pa ng boses ng batang to. Oh, meron naman tayong ad. Okay, mute muna natin, guys, ha. Wait lang. Okay. Ito na. Oh, Jessica. Na, na, na. Oh, Angels Like You. Man, sorry sa mga siguro may hindi gusto sa sasabihin ko, but man, Jessica really sounds not a little bit like, you know, meron talaga siyang I don't know how she's doing it, yung tone quality niya or the way she delivers the lyrics. Para talaga siyang si magkaparesan ni Morissette, no? Para sa akin I just want to be very honest. I don't know if you would agree, pero dati may mga nag-agree na sa akin sa comments. So I don't know. You know? Ang hirap naman itong mga arrangement na to. Cuts ng cuts, no? Pag ikaw hindi ka sanay ng mga ganito, tapos bigla kang bibigyan ng ganito, tapos you know, you're preoccupied with your performance, mawawala ka talaga nito. So it really takes professionalism and you know, the passion for what you're doing na talagang hindi ka mawala and you would stick sa arrangement na binigay sa inyo. Hey, and just like you. Eto na naman yung key change. Bigla-bigla lang eh. Nice. And just like so far talaga. Si Jessica, para sa akin in this performance, si Jessica yung parang merong I don't know. Lahat naman okay yung outro nila sa last note or sa last few notes na ginawa nila sa beat it part. But I think Jessica has the cleanest so far and the most accurate so far. Pero we're not done yet. Meron pa si Hannah. Ooh. Let's go. Hannah? Oh, grabe. I also love this song. Naaaliw talaga ako sa sa mga biglang cuts ng mga kanta, no? Hindi na tinatapos. No, kasi ako this is very for some people, for some singers, it's going to be very confusing, no? Lalo na hindi mga sanay. And naadi lang ako na yung bigla-bigla lang parang nagja-jump lang siya agad-agad sa, you know, from just the first verse and then nagpe-pre-chorus bigla, ganun. Ooh, I love that. We won. Nice. Nice. We can. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, parang yung mga arrangement nila, parang mga pang-concert. But what I meant was pang-contest. Ooh, nice. What? What? Oh. Nice. Ulitin natin. Ah! I love that. Hey, yeah. Bumaba. Tapos balik ulit. Oh. Nice. Okay din ha. Okay din ha. Amor. Make a move. Sometimes I get ahead. I love that. Ulitin nga natin. Make a move. Eto. Haha. And about what's in. Woo. Ang sarap ng harmonization, man. Vocal splits nila. Oh. Ito. Nice. Nice. Good job, Queendom Divas. I love it. I love the arrangement. By the way, pag nakita nyo sa screen, parang medyo na-crop and then parang na ano siya na reverse or na mirrored vertically. Oh, vertically. It's because I have to, no? Kasi nga, ako na yung gumawa ng paraan na i-modify yung ating video. And hopefully, this will be successfully uploaded. At wala na akong gagawing iba just to make this, you know, work, no? Para ma-upload lang siya. But, yeah. Anyway. So, going back, this was a concert-worthy arrangement na medley. And bawat isa sa kanila, they were given yung siguro pinakabagay sa kanila, I should say. And for me, the outro battle, no? I think Jessica, for me lang ewan ko, lahat naman sila, they did great. They did great. Walang merong ano sa kanila. Walang sumemplang walang sumemplang. Ang para sa akin, maybe, I don't know, yung ang linis lang talaga para sa akin, and it was very accurate. Yung outro lang. Oh. Yung kay Jessica. But everybody did their best. And yung kay Zephanie din, I love the part na parang yung yung 'di ba, yung inulit-ulit ko. And yeah, I think it was one of, you know, a classic na naman ito na this is going to be one of future classics from Queendom, no, na performance. So I think that's it, and hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody, and please mag-subscribe kayo. Let's hit 100,000 subscribers this year, okay? You know, anything is possible. Everything is possible. No? Mag-pray lang tayo kay Lord, and with your help, we can achieve that this year. Okay, this year. No, medyo ano lang tayo. Naging complacent lang siguro tayo, and naging ano lang ako, no, this year na I was supposed to do a lot of videos, but napansin nyo, medyo madalang na lang ako nag-upload. But we'll get back. No, we'll definitely get back on the goal for that 100,000 subscribers. So please mag-subscribe kayo, okay? And do follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So that's it. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.